In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads and watch new leads in your automation scenario. By the end, you'll have a reliable trigger that listens for new leads from your chosen Facebook page and form, so you can use that data in your automations. Start by opening your scenario. This is the workspace where your automation lives, so make sure you're in the correct one. On the canvas, click the plus button to add a new module. In the search bar, type Facebook lead ads, then select it from the results. When the options appear, choose Watch Leads. This is the trigger that listens for new submissions as they happen. Next, you'll connect your Facebook account. Click Add Connection. A window will open prompting you to log in. Sign in to your Facebook account that has access to the page running your lead ads. When prompted, allow the requested permissions. These permissions let the integration read your lead forms and capture submissions. Without them, the trigger can't work. If you manage multiple pages or work within a business account, confirm you're granting access to the correct assets. Once connected, you'll return to the module settings. Use the drop-down to select your page. Then select the specific form associated with your lead ad. Be sure the form you choose matches the one your ad is using, otherwise nothing will be captured. If you recently created the form and don't see it yet, refresh the list or verify that the form is published. When everything looks right, click OK to confirm the module settings. Now it's time to test. Click Run Once, so the scenario listens for a sample submission. With the scenario waiting, submit a test lead. You can do this using Facebook's lead testing tools or by submitting your actual form. Include realistic data so you can recognize it later. After submitting the test, return to your scenario window and confirm that the run shows a successful capture. Seeing the sample come through verifies that your connection, page, and form selections are correct. When you're satisfied with the test result, click Save to store your configuration. Saving ensures your Watch Leads trigger is ready the next time you run or schedule the scenario. That's it. Your setup is complete. You've connected Facebook lead ads, selected the right page and form, confirmed permissions, tested the flow, and saved your work, so you're ready to move forward with confidence.